Sharp geometric shapes can give a product poster a bold, structured, and confident visual style. Open Canva and create a new product poster with your preferred dimensions. Choose a clean background, then open the Elements panel and search for triangles, diamonds, polygons, rectangles, and other angular shapes. Start by placing the largest shapes behind the product to establish the main structure, then add smaller shapes around the headline and promotional areas. Upload your product image and position it where it becomes the strongest visual element. Add a bold product title, a concise description, pricing, and a clear call to action using modern typography. Use contrasting colors between the